We have another alert. The tones were surprisingly longer. Which one is this one for?
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Madison County, northwestern Shelby County, Hancock County, northern Morgan County, northern Johnson County, Hendricks County, Marion County, southeastern
Crap, it's for us.
Hamilton County, southeastern Putnam County, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Zionsville to 12 miles southeast of Greencastle, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Zionsville and Whitestown around 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Carmel, Westfield, and Monrovia around 11:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Fishers, Noblesville, Mooresville, Cicero, Brooklyn, Bethany, Centerton, Lake Hart, and Morse Reservoir around 11:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Waverly, Ingalls, Lapel, New Whiteland, Pendleton, Whiteland, Edgewood, River Forest, Anderson, Greenwood, Chesterfield, Martinville, Woodlawn Heights, Country Club Heights, and Bogstown.
Oh.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 94 and 136. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 230. Interstate 70 between mile markers 42 and 106. Interstate 74 between mile markers 58 and 108. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central and west central Indiana. For your protection, move to an
It just cut off there.